Hello friends, welcome to Crochet World. Today in this video, I am going to share you some tips about how to make crochet sofa blanket items. So let's get started the video. Number 1. Granny Square Afghan. Crochet a classic granny square Afghan in vibrant color to add cheerfully pop to your sofa. You can arrange the square in the traditional layout or get creative with your own design. Number 2. Ripple Blanket. Create a cozy ripple blanket with alternating rows of textured stitches. Choose colors that complement your sofa for a cohesive look. Number 3. Strip Throw. Crochet a simple strip throw blanket using for your favorite colors. You can vary the oil and number to customize the design. Number 4. Chevron Blanket. Make a modern statement with a crocheted chevron blanket. This zigzag pattern adds visual interest to your sofa and can be crocheted in bold or suitable colors. Number 5. Bobble Stitches Blanket. Add textures to your sofa with a bobble stitches blanket. The raised bobbles create a push dimensional surface that's perfect for snuggling up under. Number 6. Basket Wave Throw. Crochet a cozy basket wave throw blanket with alternating blocks of stitches. This classic pattern adds a touch of sophistication to your sofa. Number 7. Mandala Blanket. Create a starting focal point outside your sofa with a crocheted mandala blanket. Work in the round to create intricate patterns and designs inspired by mandalas. Number 8. Corner to Corner Blanket. C to C or corner to corner blanket. Crochet a corner to corner blanket in a gradient of colors. This technique creates a diagonal tips effect that's both modern and visually sticky. Number 9. Textured Cable Blanket. Add a touch of elegance to your sofa with a crochet cable blanket. Work cables and pieces to create intricate designs that mimic the look of knit cables. Number 10. Lacy Throws. Crochet a dedicated lacy throws blanket using openwork stitches like shells, fans, or cultures. This lightweight blanket is perfect for adding a decorative touch of your sofa. At last, these crocheted sofa blanket ideas offer a range of styles and techniques to suit your taste and skills level. Whether you prefer classic granny square or modern capers, that's a crochet blanket pattern that's perfect for your living room. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe now. Thank you.